Hi everyone, it's your Aussie Ajumma here, and today I'm going to show you my Nike unboxing. Today I have unboxed a set of Korean national football team Guernseys for the 2022 World Cup. If you've been following the World Cup, you would already know that Argentina did win. But I was mainly supporting the Korean national football team, and I am very, very proud of you boys for doing what you did. Well done. And I just want to thank Nike for having these Guernseys available for me to purchase.